In this video, I want to tell you about the easy way to make extra money from home in 2024. It's a simple online business anyone can do, even if you've never done anything like this before. No special skills are required. Whether you're just looking to make a few hundred extra dollars a month, or maybe create a serious full-time income working from home, this might be just what you're looking for. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been working from home full-time for over 20 years now. And it's not just about making money, I'm creating time freedom too. I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while I'm making money. See, you don't even need to stay home to do this. Stick with me and I'll share exactly what I do and how you can do it too. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. So here's what I do. I've found it to be the fastest way yet to make money from home. It takes far less time than any other side hustle I've seen. If you've looked at other ways to make money from home, you know, the take surveys home businesses, doing data entry or tutoring, or maybe drop shipping, or even things like Uber, you will see right away this is faster and easier and can make far more money. It's a very lucrative home business. In fact, it's the #1 home business today. We market high demand, high quality products that sell themselves at prices less than what people can find them for elsewhere. And no, it's not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of products every month. I really hate that. This business is different from all the others you may have seen. You can even kind of test drive it and actually start building an income before you even make a commitment, before you even spend a dime. I've never seen anything like that before. We have a unique pay plan where even those who are brand new to the home business industry can have success. And you can make money quickly. Many of the new people on our team make money their very first day. You can get paid every week by direct deposit and also earn residual or recurring income too. And that's what I like best. I'm sure you too will love getting paid again and again for the sale you make today. Our business is very low cost to join, and we teach you how to build it for free using the marketing system our team will give you. This free marketing system really is the key. It's what has made us the fastest growing team in the company. We will give you a complete sales funnel that builds your business on autopilot. You will get landing or lead capture pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails too. You will have the exact same sales funnel I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. Now, sales funnels like this can cost $100 to $200 a month, but again, you'll get this one for free. And it really does the work. Your free sales funnel will collect leads, follow up with them, enroll them into your business, and train them too. All you do is spend a few hours a week, whenever it's convenient for you, sending traffic to your landing page. And get this, we'll teach you how to do that for free also. Excellent training and support is provided, plus I will mentor you personally. Nothing will be left to chance. You can do this business. You can be set up and start making money within the hour. Take a few minutes right now and go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.